This short video is from a comprehensive course on Udemy.
In this video, we'll look at AI-enhanced speech. This emerging technology uses artificial intelligence to improve the quality of speech synthesis and recorded audio. Additionally, like we saw in the last video, it also creates very impressive AI-generated voices. We'll touch on some of the features that are associated with this, and then we'll quickly look into 3 examples. With AI, you can now upload audio files and enhance them for a more professional sound. No more background noise or uneven volumes, just crisp, clear audio that's ready for your audience. But that's not all. Imagine having a conversation with an AI chatbot that uses advanced, customized voices tailored specifically for interactions, making interactions natural and engaging. This all combines to make human-AI communication more and more lifelike. So over the next few minutes, we'll take a look at the 3 audio AI products shown here on your screen, and we'll start with Adobe Podcast. So here we are at the landing page for Adobe Podcast. And you can see the URL for this page shown here on your screen. And before we hop into this, I just want to reiterate that I'm just touching briefly on 3 different aspects of AI-enhanced speech. And for each aspect, I'll be showcasing a different platform where you can utilize this particular branch of the technology. So if I head down here, you can see the enhanced speech area, which we'll be looking at in just a second. But also with Adobe Podcast, you can fix microphone issues. They have a mic check feature here. And over here, you can record, edit, and enhance audio right here via this website with your own Adobe Studio. So I'll head back over here, click on this. And right here, we have a great example of how Adobe Podcast's enhanced speech can greatly improve voice recordings we make. So I'll briefly play audio that is not enhanced.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio.
With the power of Adobe Podcast AI, you can run that audio or whatever audio you have into their system, and it will knock out anything that sounds bad, take your voice, and give it a clean, professional sound. So here's an example of that same audio after it's been run through the Adobe AI. So I just click here, and it switches over to the enhanced speech option, and now I'll play it.
Yeah, with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone.
So those recordings give you a quick taste of what Adobe Podcast with enhanced speech can do for the recordings that we make. If you scroll down here, these are the pricing options for Adobe Podcast. You've got your 30-day free trial here and the Express Premium options here. Another awesome option is ChatGPT's voice recognition capabilities. Up until now, we have been using text to interact with ChatGPT and ask it questions. But now we can just talk to it with our own voice, and it will provide audio responses back to us. I can't demonstrate this effectively because it is a smartphone app, but if you want to see a video demonstrating how it works, visit the URL shown on your screen. Our third example of AI-enhanced speech brings us to Lovo.AI.
So once you finish with that sign-up process, the system brings you to this page. And although you're still working with Lovo, for the voice capabilities, they bring you to a page called Jenny. Now, speaking of voice capabilities, you can see right here we're using Sophia. But like we saw with Hey Jen, we have many more options to choose from. So I'll click here, and you can see we can break them down by male and female, age, and even use cases. So if I need a voice for an audiobook, education, entertainment, there's a voice that specializes in each of these use cases. Then over here along the side, we can go with rapid voices, global voices, and like we've seen previously as well, if I want to clone my own voice, I can do that here. So I'll stick with Sophia for now. And if I want to speed up how fast she reads, I can do that. With a paid account, I can add emphasis to how she speaks. I can include pauses at specific points. I can import my own text for her to work on, for her to read. And right here, this is a neat feature.
I can even integrate my own rules to control how certain words are pronounced.
So now let's take a quick listen to this AI-generated voice named Sophia.
Hi there. Welcome to Jenny. The simple mode is perfect for creating single-speaker short voiceovers.
So there you have it, our brief look into AI-enhanced speech and 3 of the ways that this technology can be integrated into the projects we undertake on a regular basis.